My name's Dalton, I'm from Toronto, Canada. Today we were out here on the Lake of the Ozarks, Osage Beach in Missouri, and we decided to demo a deck. Rip the deck boards off, put some new joists in, and cover it with some brand new deck boards and kind of give it a brand new facelift.
Oh, and the docks too. Never worked in the water before.
It's gonna be something that we're gonna be proud of when we're finished.
What's up guys, Andrew with Premier Outdoor Creations. The guys have demoed the deck today and we're going to completely resurface the whole thing with Owens Corning lumber. We're going to use 2x6, 2x8 material to deck this thing. We're going to put a sweet inlay. We're going to use all Owens Corning lumber for blocking, and we're going to sister any joists that are bad. We're going to build new steps, and we're going to wrap this thing with some 2x12 material as well. Stay tuned.
I'm about to cut like 100 boards, and I just want to make sure the measurement is yellow. Just wrapping up some cleaning. The guys are up top over here working on the deck. Not sure what they're getting to today, but I gotta imagine they're probably gonna be wrapping up here shortly. Then we'll come back tomorrow. We got another dock to rip up and resurface, and those guys will probably start decking the top of theirs, and that'll be a wrap.
It's our final day here. I think the plan is to finish this inlay. We're gonna get some railing up. It'll be a good day. Full crews on site, and we're gonna crush it.
We're about halfway done. We'll finish up after we eat lunch. We're starving. What great weather we're having to come out here to the Ozarks and do this for OC and decks and docks.
Today we laid all the decking. We're putting the finishing touches on the decking now. We'll install the railing today, and we will get this thing wrapped up. Guys from all over, guys from all ages, all walks of life that came together and made a project happen in 2 days. So it doesn't get much better than that.